Let's quickly compare and contrast Wrike and ClickUp business plan software. And when you think about Wrike or ClickUp, you have to think about project management. But you can use this project management tools for business plan writing. Either you can actually have a template within the software, or you can actually have access to a business plan, let's say a functionality within the project management software. So here's a summary I want you to pay attention to. And Wrike and ClickUp are professional services automation software that often gets compared because they are really similar when it comes to functionalities. Okay, you can actually use either tool to write a business plan, to write an organizational report. You can use either tool for project management, for automation, for services automation. You can do all kinds of stuff. And if you are trying to really write a business plan within a team, you will love the functionalities and capabilities that Wrike and ClickUp actually offered. So choosing between the two can be difficult though. So it is really vital to really have a clear idea about your needs first. And the thing is that when you think about Wrike versus ClickUp, I want you to think about things like ease of use. So we are going to analyze both tools using ease of use, for instance, the pricing. You want to see integrations. You want to see the easy, like how easy each tool is when it comes to setting up. So onboarding, do we have a learning curve at the beginning? So I'm going to actually go into details here. And it's really important to understand that Wrike and ClickUp can actually help you improve productivity through a wide range of task management, file sharing, resource management, and collaboration tools. So aside from Wrike and ClickUp, ClickUp's native productivity apps, users can integrate additional third-party apps like Asana, Slack, Jira, and Basecamp to ensure that they have all the tools they need to improve work management and business plan writing. Users can also use the API to develop their tools if they need special programs to fulfill their company's unique needs. And users can access Wrike and ClickUp on their workstations or iOS and Android mobile devices through Wrike and ClickUp's mobile app. So this is kind of cool. So you have all kinds of functionalities when it comes to those two tools. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. So let's talk about the details here. So when you think about, I want to first start with Wrike. So when you think about Wrike is a SaaS project management tool that can help users plan, execute, and evaluate projects, including business plan projects. And Wrike supports the integration of third-party apps and programs such as GitHub, Asana, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Jira, and Dropbox, allowing users to customize their programs depending on their needs. So when you think about Wrike, think about customization here. Think about flexibility. Think about efficiency. And Wrike supports file sharing, make it easier for all kinds of users to work with other team members while maintaining privacy and data integrity. So if you are working on a major business plan activity and you want to have data integrity, or you care about data integrity and privacy, you will love the level of robustness that Wrike also offers. So let's talk about ClickUp here. ClickUp's reporting tools are unique because you can create up to 7 custom dashboards, and which is really great if you are working on multiple business plans. That level of granularity is really really welcome. And ClickUp is a professional services automation software with resource management, automation, file sharing, and task management capabilities that improve how a team handles projects and crucial tasks, whether those tasks relate to a business plan writing or something else. And so ClickUp allows users to create custom workspaces to work closely with other team members on a project, okay, while processing sensitive information from protecting sensitive information from users who are not part of the team. So if you are writing a business plan and you want to sort of you want to really you want to firewall the team that works on this business plan, ClickUp has functionalities that can really help you. On top of workstation access, ClickUp also has a a mobile app version that subscribers can use when working out of the office. So this is kind of cool. And ClickUp has a free forever plan, which includes 100 megabyte storage space. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Wrike versus ClickUp business plan software. We're doing a quick compare and contrast between those two tools when it comes to business plan software capabilities. Let's talk about the features here. So when we think about the features, what are the features you need to really pay attention to? The thing is that the Wrike and ClickUp are pretty sophisticated, and they're pretty broad and deep when it comes to features, and whether those features relate to business plan writing or other professional services automation capabilities. And so as I analyze those two tools in today's conversation, we really paid attention to a few important features. For example, we looked at the list of the features that each tool has. And when we think about the list of features, we paid attention to the depth and breadth of those features. We looked at the use cases. So what are the most effective use cases for this feature set, depending on your needs? We also paid attention to the ease of use. So how easy the tool is, how is it. When we talk about ease of use, we're not just talking about how easy the tool is to use, but how easy the tool is when it comes to learning it. Okay, how is it easy to learn and master? We also paid attention to integrations. So is it easy to connect the tool with other tools? Because as you know, if you are working on a business plan, you will need other tools to sort of elevate the profile of your business plan, the documents, the final documents, before it goes to the board or before it goes to senior management or investors for that matter. And also we pay attention to customer support. Can you get help easily and quickly? Because see, the last thing you want is to actually waste time on the phone, actually waiting for someone waiting for a customer service rep to pick up the phone. So we also paid attention to that. And also we looked at the price. See, if you are analyzing Wrike and ClickUp business plan software, you want to, pricing is an important element, because if they're charging you by user every month, you want to make sure you have the exact number or the appropriate number of users, because otherwise, why would you pay for everybody within your organization and very few are only using the tool? Okay, so I just wanted to give you the ecosystem, the universe of criteria that we paid attention to while analyzing Wrike and ClickUp business plan software. So using those criteria that I just listed as the foundation for our analytical process, here are the differences that I really want you to pay attention to as you go through Wrike and ClickUp business plan software. Let's first talk about the differences, and then we'll speak about the similarities. Okay, so you'll have a clear idea. So first, the differences. Wrike's free plan comes with a generous 2 gigabyte storage space that subscribers can use to store files or data, whereas ClickUp's free forever plan comes with 100 megabyte of storage. So right there, this is one big difference already. Wrike's free plan includes cloud storage integration, providing customers with a secure and convenient way of accessing files, while ClickUp's free plan doesn't include cloud storage. Wrike has ad hoc reporting functionality to ensure business continuity by allowing members to assign reporting rights to another member in special cases temporarily, and ClickUp lacks this functionality. Wrike also has a video proofing feature that enables users to proof and approve video assets, while ClickUp doesn't have this functionality. And Wrike users can customize their home pages through themes and color themes, whereas ClickUp doesn't have this feature. So this is really important to really pay attention to. What about ClickUp? Well, ClickUp's paid subscription plans come with an unlimited storage space where users can store vital files or documents, while Wrike's paid plans have capped storage space allocations per user. And ClickUp supports social media integration to manage there are clients' social media accounts within the software, whereas Wrike users need to use a separate social media app. So this is the thing, like people love ClickUp for that because you are able to centralize everything. You don't have to actually jump from one app to another. And ClickUp has a native messaging feature allowing users to instantly connect with other team members for improved cooperation, whereas Wrike users need to install a third-party messaging app. And ClickUp has a gamification feature that counts on team members' competitive nature to increase productivity in the workplace, and this feature is not available in Wrike. And also, ClickUp has an overtime calculation feature to ensure employees get proper compensation for extra hours and prevent payroll discrepancies and disputes. And Wrike doesn't have this feature as of the date of this show. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the Wrike versus ClickUp business plan software. So I'll just talk to you about the differences. Now let's talk about the similarities here. So let's talk about the similarities between Wrike and ClickUp business plan software. First of all, Wrike and ClickUp business plan software both have a free forever plans that can help freelancers and small businesses who need, let's say, project management software, but don't want to get paid subscriptions just yet. Okay, so if you're listening to me right now and budgeting is an important issue for you, then you want to go with either Wrike or ClickUp. And Wrike and ClickUp have mobile apps that work on iPhones and Android mobile devices, providing essential productivity tools while working in the field. Wrike and ClickUp use Kanban boards and Gantt charts to provide users with a visualization of their progress to give team members a clear idea of the areas they need to concentrate on to meet due dates, especially if you are working on a business plan. Wrike and ClickUp have a user-friendly knowledge base with instructional videos, tutorials, articles, and demos that can guide users to make the most out of the software. And Wrike and ClickUp use agile methodologies to ensure that team members sustain continuous improvements in response to emerging challenges. And Wrike and ClickUp support the customization of templates so users can design templates and forms that meet specific clients or project requirements. And also, Wrike and ClickUp supports business process automation so users can save time by automating daily tasks and devote, let's say, save time to more complicated activities. And Wrike and ClickUp have a time tracking functionality allowing managers to analyze team members' time to complete tasks, and this provides valuable insights on which skills or task members need training on. This is kind of important, especially if you are working on a deadline-oriented sort of business plan and you want to have a clear idea what kind of commonalities you can get from your team members. This functionality is really great. And the cool thing is it's available in both Wrike and ClickUp. And Wrike and ClickUp have idea management functionality helpful in conceptualizing and executing projects because it provides team members with an avenue to share their ideas, the ideas that promote innovation. And Wrike and ClickUp have a workflow management system useful in organizing people and optimizing workflow to promote team coordination and boost productivity. Let me talk to you about the use cases here. So when we think about the Wrike and ClickUp business plan software, what are the use cases you need to really pay attention to? So I want to first talk about Wrike, and I'm actually focusing on the best use cases for Wrike versus ClickUp. So first of all, Wrike. With Wrike, you have a constellation of use cases. You have agile project management. So you can use Wrike to build Kanban board and customize workflows to best suits your agile project management team. You have client management. You can use Wrike for adept client management and professional services with collaborative planning tools, full project visibility, and automated approvals. You have remote work. So you can use Wrike to organize your remote workforce with in-browser and smartphone app access for a go-anywhere digital workspace. You have business process management. So you can use Wrike to create customizable, shareable dashboards that enable team leads to monitor and improve processes. You have event planning. So you can use Wrike to visualize your event checklist and keep the whole team's calendar. The calendar is automatically in sync. You have product roadmap. You can use Wrike to visualize each roadmap stage using easy to build Gantt charts that highlight project launch priorities. You have creative teams. You can use Wrike to organize creative requests, visualize your workload, clarify feedback, and publish assets with ease. You can use Wrike for marketing teams. You can use Wrike to optimize digital ROI with instant insight into up to 50 channels, including all popular social platforms. And for IT teams, you can use Wrike to build custom request forms for all IT tickets, requests that can be set up automatically to turn data into tasks. So that's for Wrike. What about ClickUps? You can use the ClickUps for agile teams, for remote work, for human resources, for design teams, for finance departments, for product development, for marketing agencies, for sales teams, for healthcare. Speaking of healthcare, you can use ClickUp's HIPAA compliant enterprise grade plan for healthcare projects and team management, especially when they relate to business plan writing. You can use ClickUp for sales teams because the tool allows the teams to track leads and prospects and collaborate on deals. For marketing agencies, ClickUp makes it easier for creative agencies to collaborate with clients and get approval for assets. For product development, ClickUp has sprint and backlog templates that development teams can use to manage product launches. Fantastic. Let's talk about pricing here. I want to talk about Wrike pricing first. Wrike pricing. I want you to look on the screen here. So here is a pricing for Wrike as of the date of this show. So again, what I want to say is that Wrike has all kinds of capabilities here, and business plan writing is only one capability within the vast ecosystem of capabilities you can get through Wrike. So you can see on the screen here the pricing as of the date of this show. So you have the free, the team, the business, the enterprise, and the pinnacle. So basically, the free, you have unlimited users, 2 GB of storage and templates. For the team, you have $9.80 per seat per month, billed annually. Very important, billed annually. If you want to go to a monthly billing process, they will charge you more. For the business, you have to pay $24.80 per seat per month, billed again annually. If you want to pay per month, then you have to actually pay a little more. For enterprise and pinnacle, you have to contact sales. It will give you custom pricing. So this is for Wrike. Now let's talk about ClickUp. I want you to look right now on the screen here. So ClickUp offers several options with an array of accessible features for every team. Okay. And so they have the free forever plan. So here you can access ClickUp's template library, unlimited tasks, tons of integrations, time tracking, ClickUp docs, whiteboards rather, everything new, real-time chat, and more. Sorry about that. So you have the unlimited plan, you have the business plan, and you have the enterprise plan. And within the business plan, they have a business plan and business plus plan. So when we talk about unlimited, you are paying right now. And again, the dates, the dollar amounts I'm giving you here were as of the date of this show. Okay. So you have, for the unlimited plan, you're paying $7 per user per month. Here you have form views, goals, unlimited dashboards, unlimited custom fields, and more. For the business plan, you have actually workload management, mind maps, custom reporting, custom exporting, advanced automations, and more. And you also have subtasks in multiple lists, conditional logic in forms. You have custom permissions, increased automations, APR, and more. So this is really good. For the enterprise plan, you have to contact the ClickUp sales team for custom pricing. So here you have all kinds of capabilities. You have white labeling, MSA and HIPAA, default personal views, and more. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I did a quick Wrike versus ClickUp business plan software comparison to give you the ins and outs of every tool. And so basically, let's do a quick recap here. So I gave you the summary, the details, the features, the differences, the similarities, the use cases, and finally the pricing. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.